everybody, it is Friday, July 31st. I'm just showing you a picture of the flowers on my butternut squash. They are huge compared to the flowers on my cucumbers. But I decided to do a video. First off, we had a tragedy. Our storm last night bent my tomato. I came out, it was on the ground. So I picked it back up, attached it back to the fence, but then I had a couple of stalks, stems break. So I took them off. I put them in a bucket of water, and we'll see what happens. Still got some tomatoes. I picked a handful of them for lunch for now. This is my potato plant. A lot of brown leaves because things get broken and start to die. They'll be fine. Have to pick the rest of this kale so I can plant some more carrots in the City Pickers box. But I said, let me just look through my stuff. There's cucumbers up the trellis, and also part of the butternut squash is grown up there. And the rest is green beans. Here's a sweet potato vine. I have a sweet potato in between two cucumber plants down here, and my poor eaten cabbage is back there. We'll see what I get. So I decided to come check the cucumbers, and I said, yay, I have cucumbers. It's the farthest I've ever gotten with cucumbers. They always seem to never get pollinated, but I did some hand pollination thanks to you other folks watching and learning from you. I took the male flowers and dabbed it on the female parts like that there, and I'll get a cucumber soon, hopefully. So I'm just picking through the leaves over here, and I say, whoa, I got an actual cucumber. I mean, right now I could pick it, it would be a pickling cucumber, but these are straight 8s. So I'm gonna let that go. It's a full size. And then I will eat them. But I have tons and tons and tons of flowers everywhere. Been trying to hand pollinate as many as possible, but I do have my bee friends out here on sunny days. It's raining today. So, no bees today. But my corn is growing. It grows about 6 inches a day, it seemed, because it was not this tall 2 days ago. So I finally have my tassels, and eventually I'll start to get the ears down the stalk. Hopefully we'll do good. And this is the other side. Usually I show you from the inside of the yard, but this is the outside. Here's my other trellis with my sweet potato vines. I have to get these trees cut back. And then I can continue with this bed, which did not do well at all. It was too shady. Nothing thrived. That's my squash plants I had to pull out. So nothing thrived, but once I get these trees cut back, I'll still call it the shade garden because I'll be able to put up some shade cloth if it gets too sunny over here. But this is your normal view of my garden. And where that trellis is straight ahead, I'm gonna create a walkway straight back. So I'm gonna put another bed 8 feet long here, but I'm only gonna do 2 feet wide. So it's going to end up being a U-shape area. The dogs have killed all the grass anyway, so I might as well use it for my garden. Then I'll still have a nice walkway to the patio area. I have not gotten one banana pepper off of this plant. I'm going to see if I cut it at the top a little bit, if it'll stimulate it to grow. I'm getting ready to pull the green pepper off. so the other one on top of it will have room to grow. We've had a bunch of serrano peppers. We've eaten them. I'll have new ones ready. I'll have a green pepper here. Another couple buds here. I should have something eventually. Can't wait. These are my big boy tomatoes. I don't see any other flower sets. I do, but it doesn't look they did very well. It's gonna be what it's gonna be. It's all a learning process. See how it goes. Jalapenos are in there, but not one red bell pepper off of 2 plants have I gotten. Jalapenos in there. And that's it. Happy Friday, everybody. Stay safe, stay healthy.